Hi, today we are going to program integrated universal remote on BMW 5 Series. This is 535i 2016, and it's same way you can program for all other models like BMW 3 Series, 4 Series, 7 Series, and even like X Series, or all like which have integrated remote control. Like I have here in the rear view mirror, there are 3 buttons: 1, 2, and 3. First, we have to reset whatever code it is programmed with this car. For this, we have to push these 2 buttons to reset until there is a one LED light. It flashes quickly. Then we have to release these 2 buttons. After that, we have to press the garage door opener right here. You can see right here I programmed here like with this button. Then for programming universal remote control with this garage door opener, we have to press this one and like either one of 3 buttons. Like I will program here in the middle. We have to press this one and garage door opener button at the same time until LED flashlight flashing quickly, and then we have to release. That is all set. We are done, and that will be programmed on this button. Okay, so first I'm going to reset. Let's do it. Press these 2 buttons. Sorry. Yeah, it's flashing rapidly. We have to release it. So it's like it's all reset now. Now we have to program this center button with our remote control. Press this one, and because I'm using one hand, and press this one and that button at the same time. It's flashing. Yeah, it's flashing quickly. Just release it. You are all set. Press this one, the button we have programmed. It's all working. That's great. Yeah, we have programmed BMW 5 Series integrated universal remote control with our garage door opener. That's it. Good luck.